pull. 3, 10, 1, 2. What up, what up, what up? Welcome back to the bar. Try out this breakfast, it's delicious. My girl made it for me one day and I kinda stole the recipe and now I'm flexing with it. But anyway, it's December, the weather is depressing, but I'm gonna make the best out of it. Starting off with 5 pull-ups, 5 muscle-ups, 5 dips on top for 5 sets. Let's get it. 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. 4. The scarf and the hoodie are getting in the way. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull. 2, 4, 5. 2, 4. That's 5 sets. Let's move on. Four sets of 5 L-sit pull-ups. 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what's up. 2, 3. Oh, yo. 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah. Man, I like these ones. They feel good. You know, here in Estonia during winter, we get only a few hours of this daylight, if you can call this daylight. So that's a pretty good menu for not being productive, for not being motivated, for being lazy. But don't be that guy. Go out there, keep pushing, keep pulling, rep it out. I'm gonna change the pull-up to a chin-up now, using only one ring. And I'm gonna pull for the lower part of my chest. Again, four sets, 5 to 6 reps. And I'm gonna keep them slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Let's go for more. 7. One more. Keep it clean. Good. And now it's starting to rain. Perfect. 50 push-ups straight into a muscle up. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 50. Good. Next up is 40 push-ups and 2 muscle ups. 40 and 2. 10. 20. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 30. 40. Good shit. 30 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 20. 30. Oh boy. 1, 2, 3. Almost there. 2 more sets and you're done. 20 push-ups and 4 muscle ups. 20. Let's go. One, two, three. Last one was iffy, but I'll take it. 10 push-ups and 5 muscle-ups, and then I'm done. Last ones, 10 and 5. Alrighty, I'm gonna pack my stuff and get the hell out of here. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.